Anak, wag ganun. Masama yun. Ay, naka-video pala ako.
Oh, I need to get my Coke.
Hi, Hannah.
Hello.
What can you say about
About
everything?
I don't know. Corn's good. Barbecue's good.
You like the food? You like the place? You like the swimming? You had fun?
It's okay.
Yeah. Napin. Okay, see you. I'm going to them.
I don't want the attention. Okay, wow. Stop following me.
Ano
I need
na
to go
lang?
in the washroom.
Hala, tigpa $5 na lang tayo, no? Okay.
I need to take a piss. Hey.
Carla will pee. We have to, because he's the star of the game.
Okay, don't do it. Seriously, stop, man.
So this is our washroom. Kukuha ka ng tip, pero kukuha ka ng souvenir dito sa ano.
Oh, dadalhin ko yung isang malaki yun. Ay, kung gusto mo, yung TV sa'yo. Manipis galon yun. Diba?
Pag naman, baka masira pa yan eh. Mahirap isoli. Kalagay sa bulsa ko. Just so bad. Hello, Hazel. Sarap buhay ah.
Masakit ang ulo ko.
May internet na, manood na tayong TFC.
Sige na, lagay mo na dito.
Maigi ngayon na kayo. Makain na tayong dalawa para kukunan tayo.
Kulang tayo. Hi! We're here!
At least si nanay nakapagbakasyon na, kumita pa. Maganda yan.
Maganda yan na, yan at buhay.
Di ba?
Ulo ko eh.
Mahina lang kumita. Mahina per hour.
Minum kanina ng ano? Minum na ako na eh.
Gusto mo ng ano? Ng gamot na...
Minum na akong Tylenol.
Yung anointment, gusto mo? Yung imamassage?
Ito nga, fix na nga.
Ah, okay.
May bayad din yung
Silly.
barbecue.
Suka o, sausawan natin suka.
Swerte nyo naman. Makakakain kayo. Kumain kaya ako. Wala namang masama, di ba?
Tama lang naman yung ano. Bukas ka na mag-reduce na mag-reduce talaga. Alam mo yung suka ko, nilagyan ko sa ano. Water bottle.
Sarap kaya
Wala
yun.
ko nalagyan eh.
Ah, sarap.
Okay, sariwang suka.
Yung Korean barbecue attitude, masarap. Ha? Isa lang naman ang barbecue. Pinagsama ko lang yun.
Magkano tayo? Magpipiknik tayo sa Summerside.
Eh kasi, natapon pa nga yung sauce na sasakyan eh. Okay na, nawala ng pork chop, no? Masyado nang madami pag... Kako, baka pwedeng lutuin yung pork chop para mabaon. Ano sa palagay mo?
Bakit naman?
Hindi na kayo magbabaon sa daan.
Bakit tayo magbabaon? Saan tayo kita?
Ito ang aking pinakamabait at pinakagwapong balong. Kaya lang, Diyos ko, feeling niya grown up na siya. Hindi na siya nagpapa-baby. Ba't ganun?
Wow, Mom. Stop.
Hindi mo na talaga ako love?
No, it's annoying.
Say mo, I love you, mommy.
I love you.
Lakas mo, hindi ko narinig eh. Tell the whole world you love me.
Sigh.
Say you love me. Do you love me?
Sure.
Huh? How much do you love me, Balong? How much do you love me? Huh? How much do you love me? You tell the whole world how much you love me.
Mom, stop, stop. Stop, stop.
Hi, Hannah. Hannah, how about you? How much do you love mommy?
A lot.
A lot? How about you, Carlo? How much do you love mommy? A lot? I can't hear you.
Stop fumbling with your words,
A
Carlo.
lot.
Tell the world. Shout.
Said a lot.
Really? How? Oh, kiss mommy. Kiss mommy. Love you.
Wow, mom.
Hi. Say you love me. I love you. I love you, Balong. Say, I love you, Balong.
What the?
Sabihin mo na. Para aalis na ako.
I'm gonna sleep. What?
Say, you love me.
I love you.
Louder.
I already said it.
Shout it.
Sige na, hindi ako aalis. Nahihiya ka?
No,
What?
it's so. Why would you put this on YouTube?
Are you a big boy now?
Sure,
Big boy ka na?
sure.
Hindi pa. Baby ka pa rin eh. You're still my baby.
And babies have crushes.
Sino crush? Sino crush mo? Ha?
Okay, Stop recording this.
What?
Stop recording it.